Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Computer Programming, and today I'm going to show you if you got that type of error like that property password comes from an index signature. So property comes from an index signature, so it must be accessed with this uh, square brackets. So if you want to resolve this problem, you can just remove this problem like that. In the password f.password.touched, that is the, you can see here we have a f.password.touched. So the password property is comes from an index signature, so just you can use it here. Okay, so dot touched. Okay, and after that you can resolve this problem. So save this problem, and after that again, and here you can see that example of this. So ng serve. And you can see what happening. Okay, there is. Okay, so the next error is comes from, okay, start from the new terminal. And okay, ng serve. Okay, and you can see here, you can see the property password comes from an index signature, so it must be accessed with this f password dot touched and f dot passwords again. So I just got it again, and here you can see that the password dot touched f dot passwords. So again you can use it, and the problem will be resolved easily. Dot invalid and f dot password again, and it comes from an index signature. Dot errors dot required is also a index, comes from an index signature. Okay, and you can see the property passwords come from an index signature. Object is possibly null, and what is this? That is the required. So f dot password dot errors dot required password is required, so object is null. And the next one is property required comes from an index signature, and the next one is property comes confirm password is also comes from an index signature. Property confirm password come from an index signature, index signature, and object is null. Okay, and property required come from an index signature, that is required, and the property comes index signature confirm passwords, I think. Okay, so confirm passwords, confirm validator password, and object is possibly null. Okay, confirm validator comes from an index, confirm validator is also index signature. So just you can problem resolved. Here we have touched in invalid, and the next one is required. Okay, and the next one is confirm passwords. So you can see that the f dot confirm So just resolve it. Dot touched. Dot invalid. Also dot required property is comes from an index signature. And that property also comes from an index signature. Confirm validator is also comes from an index signature. I think it is enough. And again, so just remove this and start with the new terminal. ng serve again, and here we have to got two errors only instead of list of errors. Okay, so just wait, it comes. Okay, so the next one is property passwords come from an index signature, so it must be accessed with the passwords. So where is this? Password is invalid, and I think it is not saved because password is also exist in this. Control save, remove, ng serve. Okay, so here we have got only 2 and 3 errors. So object is possibly null error. There is comes from an index signature. Property comes from an index signature is removed. So here you can see that object is possibly null, and object is possibly null, and object is possibly null. So after this, I will resolve this problem. What error is actually? So f password dot errors dot required is possibly null. So first of all, check f.password.errors. Okay, just after that you can resolve this problem. So here we have, instead of errors, so just Control C and Control V, and you can use errors. Okay, so f.password.errors, if it is null, then you can resolve, and it is required. So this problem password.required is resolved. Okay, object null, confirm password, and the confirm password dot validators. Okay, so the next one is this error set dot required. So just Control C, Control V, and okay, and the next one is this Control C. Okay, so the problem resolved. Save this and start with the new terminal. ng serve. Yes. Okay, so the project successfully run. So you can resolve this problem easily.